Good morning, Doha. Today, I'm gonna prepare for my breakfast, shakshuka. Now, painitin muna natin yung pan at lagyan natin ng mantika. Painitin muna bago tayo magsimula. Mas mainit na, ilalagay natin yung onions. Haluin lang po natin. Tapos, antayin lang po natin siya hanggang magiging golden brown ang ating onions. Sobrang bango nito, guys. Grabe. I've learned this style of cooking for a quite long time. This is the easiest way for breakfast. Sometimes I am eating at home if I still have time, or else I'm gonna pack it and eat in the office. Yan lang. And then let's stir it well. Halu-haluin lang. Okay. Sobrang bango nito. Golden brown ang ating onion. Isunod na natin ang ating tomatoes. Yan po. Along with the green chilies. Sinabay ko na lang po siya para isang na lang. Kasi ganun lang din naman eh. Then, let's add a bit salt. My style po kasi of adding salt is sinasabay ko po siya sa tomatoes para mas lalong tastier siya. Tingnan nyo naman guys yung tomatoes. Kailangan lutuin siyang mabuti. Sobrang bango na, grabe. Halo-haluin lang natin ng mabuti. Halo-halo lang. Ganun. And I think luto na yung ating tomatoes. At saka sobrang bango na, grabe. Now, let's add our main ingredient, which is the eggs. Come on, eggs. Wow. O, diba? Healthy breakfast. So, let's gonna make halo-halo ulit. Halo-halo lang. Para mas ma-absorb niya ang kanyang lasa. This time, let's add a bit salt. Sobrang konti lang para sa eggs. Halo-haluin lang natin ulit. Tingnan na naman guys ang consistency ng aking luluto. O diba? Diet is real. Yan. At syempre, kasama niyan is bread. And takpan lang natin siya. Saglit lang naman. Tcharan! Now, let's sprinkle a bit of pepper. Black pepper yan guys ha. Yan. Sprinkle like a diamonds. Yun po. And then, I think that's the last ingredient na nilalagay natin, yung black pepper. Binabaliktad na po natin. Sobrang konti na lang, segundo na lang yan. And then, our shakshuka is ready to serve na in a few seconds. And we're done here sa ating shakshuka for breakfast. Thank you for watching, guys. See you in my next video. Bye-bye!